Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the sound of your reminder on the Done application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the settings icon down below, which is the first option. Now scroll down to the app settings section and click on reminders. Now scroll down till you find the reminder sound section, and as you can see, you can choose from a wide variety of reminder sounds. If you have found the one that suits your preferences the most, just simply tap on it, thereby updating the sound of your reminders. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.